The video you're supposed to watch on the first slide, the point of view video, talks about who is telling a story. I'm going to read the story, A Shower in the Sky. You have to decide who is telling the story. Is it the main character's father, or a narrator? Now, remember, a narrator is a person who is looking into the story and telling you what they see. If a story is told by a narrator, you will see a lot of names. If a story is told by any of the characters, you will see I, me, my. So we're going to look out for some of those clues as we read. A shower in the sky. The sky grew dark. Rico was excited. Tonight was going to be the best meteor shower of the year. That means there's going to be falling stars. Rico had looked forward to this night for a long time. He and his father drove to the top of the dark hill. They lay 2 sleeping bags on the tarp in the grass. Then they watched the dark sky. I'm seeing a lot of he, they. I see a lot of the characters' names. That means I think someone is looking in and watching what's happening and telling the story. That must be a narrator is telling the story. Suddenly, Rico saw a bright streak in the sky. A meteor! It lasted less than a second. Then it was gone. I saw one, he shouted. I see the word I right here, which sometimes can mean that a character is telling the story themselves, but this is when someone's talking. So when you see I, me, or my when someone's talking, that doesn't count as the character telling the story. This is still being told by a narrator. Rico's father saw another and pointed. A meteor streaked out across the sky. Rico and his father counted each meteor. At first, they saw a meteor every 1 or 2 seconds. Then the meteor started coming more slowly. Sometimes 1 minute would pass before they saw another, then 2 minutes. More time passed. Rico counted 10 minutes before another meteor shot across the sky. The shower is almost over, his father said. You can close your eyes now and sleep. Rico wanted to watch the starry sky all night long, but his sleeping bag was cozy. He closed his eyes. Rico pictured meteors dancing across his eyelids as he drifted off to sleep. Now you have to answer this question. Who is telling the story? Rico is telling the story, a narrator is telling a story, or his dad is telling a story. I need you to circle the answer. Tell me who is telling a story. Use this circle.